Wait, imagine standing in front of 40 noisy students. The sun is already angry by 8:30 a.m. The classroom fan is rotating like it's tired of life. And your dress has decided today is the day it will not cooperate. Sweat everywhere, fabric sticking to your body. You're trying to teach photosynthesis, but your outfit is busy teaching suffering. Now, imagine the opposite. A soft, breathable cotton dress that understands you, respects the Nigerian weather, and allows you to survive the school day with dignity. Today, we are talking about 30 reasons every teacher should own more cotton dresses. And trust me, if you teach for a living, this might save your wardrobe and your sanity. Teaching is not a sit down and look cute job. Teaching is writing on the board, walking around the class, bending to check notebooks, standing during assembly, and sometimes running after students who think the classroom is a football field. Your fabric must be ready for the battle, and that is where cotton dresses enters like a hero of the story. Now, reason number one, cotton understands hot weather. In places where the sun behaves like it has personal issues with everybody, cotton becomes your best friend. It breathes, it lets air move, it keeps you from looking like you just ran a marathon before first period. 2. Cotton respects teachers' movement. Teachers don't sit in one place like office managers. You are bending, stretching, reaching for the chalk, walking between desks. Ah, Cotton says, move freely, I've got you. 3. Cotton forgives chalk dust. If you teach with chalk, just accept one truth. Chalk will find your clothes. But cotton already understands this lifestyle. Reason number 4. It keeps you fresh longer. From morning assembly to closing bell, cotton stays calm. Other fabrics will start behaving like they regret their life choices by noon. Reason number 5. Easy to wash. Teachers deal with ink stains, chalk stains, random classroom accidents. Cotton doesn't complain about regular washing. It just shows up in the morning, ready for duty. Reason number 6. Cotton dresses are modest and professional. Most schools prefer simple, modest, respectful dressing. Cotton dresses fit perfectly into the standard while still looking stylish. Reason number 7. They make mornings easier. A teacher's morning is mostly chaotic. You're thinking about lesson plans, assignments, attendance registers. A simple cotton dress removes one more problem from you. Reason number 8. Cotton is comfortable for long-standing hours. Teachers stand a lot. Assembly, class, supervising tests. Cotton make those long hours easier on your body. Reason number 9. Cotton dresses look effortlessly elegant. There is something about cotton. Even the simplest cotton dresses can make you look like the most organized teacher in the staff room. Reason number 10. Your skin will thank you. Synthetic fabrics sometimes trap heat. Cotton allows your skin to breathe like it just opened a window. Let's move faster now. Cotton dresses are great for teachers because they absorb sweat better, they are perfect for hot classrooms, they allow easy movements, they come in beautiful prints, they are easy to style with flats or low heels. They work for every body type. They don't go out of fashion. They are budget friendly. They handle long school hours. They still look good after many washes. Because the classroom fan cannot be trusted. Because students will stress you, because cotton dresses are simple and powerful, because comfort improves confidence, because good clothes make long days easier, because you deserve to feel comfortable, because cotton works in every season, because you can move, teach, and survive the day peacefully, and most importantly, a comfortable teacher is a happy teacher, and a happier teacher teaches better. So, next time you're building your wardrobe as a teacher, remember this simple rule: don't just buy clothes, buy clothes that can survive the classroom. And cotton dresses, they are definitely built for the job. Now, tell me in the comment section, teachers, what fabric has ever betrayed you in the classroom? And how many cotton dresses do you currently own? Let's talk. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and feel free to share this video. I remain Queen the Creative. Bye bye for now.